Hello, TI target individuals all around the world. This video just for warnings to you all. We all need peace, but we cannot run away from its happenings. So we have to stay with it without agreements or without permissions. We can't fight to technology growth without control. But we need to live and try our own minds confident control. This brain computer directs through our brains to communications to mind control. Difference on smartphone. Smartphones are machines and smart brains or V2K targets. This we have soul, we are the human, we have soul and feelings. So the technology is harmful to our body. Smart brains or brain computer called simple to criminals people because they are replaced from smartphones to direct to our brains. But remember one thing, this cannot direct to our brains if don't have electricity inside our body to connect to technologies and satellite wave line. Electricity is passing points into our bodies. 1. In middle ear, that means the eardrum materials to direct to our brains. Number 2. Inside eyelids, both sides to communications cam digitons. Number 3. In penis, skins and vaginas, inside skins. Just for make feeling sexual things. Number 4. This is very important. Very small memory chips. Them passing into our body by cut a little bit our skins on back shoulders skin. And these ones move into the temple hairs by remote control. Or what I speak, this one happened to my body. So the warnings was brain computer controls targets us by hand to body. That means we get drugged to deep sleep, and that means the people who do this to us must be nearby us. That's it. This two warning. The people who do to us must can get in by hand to us, hand to our body. That's it. So this happened to target individual all around the world, same as me. Just same as me, just hearing people talking all the time and sometimes feeling burn, feeling hurt and very dangerous to get into cancer. That's it. Or heart attacks. That's it. So we have to save our body by try to be our mind control. That's it. Have to be confident to live with it. We cannot run away. We cannot fight to them. We only try to make ourselves confident what happened to it and live with it. That's it. This one I'm very sure because everywhere what I just talking about, this happened to my body. This is them replaced from smartphones. Do same thing to communication to our brain. Smartphone them directs to the machines that have electronics to list the satellites or to list electricity wave. That's it. But our brains to list electricity wave. So the reason them push on middle ear because usually our ear we have T parts of our ear. We have outside ear, middle ear, and inside ear. So the part change to the voice, change to electric wave that's behind eardrum. That's it. In middle ear, them have look like terminal, look like have 3 bone. Them call gone, tongue, corn. That's in Thai. I don't know. It's the other countries or English how them speak. This is why I list from detail from Google in Thai. So them change in middle ear. Them change from voice, change to electric wave, go on into inside ear and go to the brain. So our brains communications or to readings or what we hearing. That's it. Not outside ear. That's why. So them use same as mobile phone. Them use target us to smartphone. That's it. But them took to our brain. By have to put in middle ear because them come look like satellite. They not come by voice. That's it. So all this go through our body. For my body, same as I said, have 4 parts. What them put in. This one under iris skin can connect to the cam digital. That's it. And middle ear, that means eardrum matuli. After that, we have fasting so many times. That's it. So, and one place what them put in my body, same as I said, vagina. Just part injections in under skin inside vagina. So for men, in skin of penis. That's it. To communicate to our feelings about sexual thing. That's it. And one part for to me is on the back shoulder skin have a little bit cut, but I don't know how they can remove stuff on my temple hairs. You know, I think to be remote control because when they move I know exactly, but before I don't know what it is. That's it. But 2 years after have my grandson, he saw is the I have a cut skin on the back. So I said I never have that. He said yeah, and so he take picture. So I have look like the operation, small operation on my shoulder on the back side. But 2 years before that, before I saw that, I got a feelings. I got look like really headaches, and I take many pills, cannot stop them. And in same time, I feelings I have something moving on my back shoulder and move around and stuck on here. I explain on that time I don't know about technologies. I think about magic. So I explain on my record video 2 years before I saw the look like my skin is cut. That's it. 2 years before. So I've been recording my voice. I said I feeling look like metal, really 4 square metal and really thin, really feel and moving from my back shoulder and come stuck on my temple brain. I said temple head. That's it. But before I don't know about technology, you know. But I recording, I think it's about magic or people do black magic to me. So I recording from beginning. But 2 years after, my grandson saw cut off my skin on the back, small one. That's it. So I think this is memory chip because what I record, I think I feel look like metal, but 4 square, really small and really thin, really feel and can moving. The stuck on my temple. That's it. So the reason I warning the people who do to art doesn't mean nearby art can be hand to our body. That's it.